Hello, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be doing the body assembly, cutting it out, painting it, doing the stickers, and I'm going to let you know if this is an easy car or hard car to do. So I don't even make my predictions anymore because you can never tell if it's going to be easy or hard. As you see here, we have to paint the front spoiler or valance on there black. I got it masked off. That line was fairly easy to find. Not hard at all. Let's go ahead and get that painted first. We got it masked off. I get some alcohol microfiber. Just wipe it down one last time in case I touched it. So I'll just keep adding light coats until you can't see through it no more. Don't pull your film off. All right, so I just cut the body out close because I use those pieces for airbrush experiments. Still trying to find what paint sticks to polycarbonate with no luck. I'm just kind of disappointed because I already invested a little bit of money in Createx, and that stuff does not stick to polycarbonate. Don't even waste your time. But on the forums, they tell you that it does, which is complete bullcrap. So this is the proof right here. This is Createx with the adhesion promoter. And look, it scratches right off. That's a total fail. I don't care what anybody says. So the Rust-Oleum works good too, but not all the colors act the same. Same thing with this Krylon. The silver works super great. The white, if you spray super thin coats and let them dry, it works awesome. Let's wipe down with alcohol, blew it off with the air compressor. Should be ready to go. Oh, nice coverage. Dang, okay, so this is more of a pumpkin orange. Nice covers, nice covers. We're gonna keep putting light coats on it like that until we can't see through it. Probably about 5 or 6 light coats. We'll check it out when it's done. So we used one entire full can of paint. This is one where you have to get your hand in there. Make sure you spray into the grooves. You can miss that corner on the trunk and you can miss the front corner edge right here for sure. All that body line, just make sure you get your hand in there. Spray this one. We use one full can, brand new can. Carefully get that corner up. You're also looking for glue residual from the tape. You're still not trying to touch it because we're gonna smoke the windows next. Oh man, we have some lift up on the window mask. Hopefully didn't screw it up. Come on. Oh, we're good. So we're gonna put 2 light coats of PS31 window smoke. This is all I do. That's 1. That could count as 2. Makes it look so much better just like that, but we are going to put another one. So I still have to fine trim all the edges. I do that last. Let's go ahead and get some stickers put on here and get an idea if these are going to be easy or hard. So I went ahead and cut a few out. Let's go ahead and get this film off. So the paint job laid out perfect, beautiful. We got in all the grooves. Always count the numbers and put them on in order because you want them to overlap a certain way. 26, 27, 28, and then 29. So this model is actually very forgiving on the window stickers. All right, we got a heat gun. Heat the stickers up just a little bit. Nice. Go ahead and start the roof rail right there. You naturally want to start it back here, but you actually want to start it right there. So I use the curved Lexan scissors to cut as close as I can, and then I use the Dremel stylo with the rough grit, feels like 50 grit, and trim it down the best that I can. So this is an automotive sanding block with 180. You just sand that until it gets perfectly straight. New sandpaper. Now we have a perfectly straight line. Okay, so we need to make the hole for the mirror. Okay, so get you some pliers and bend the clip just like it tells you to in the instructions, O-ring. Okay, I'm holding it with my pinky. Okay, see how easy that was? You don't have to struggle to do it. If you do it right, straighten the mirror up. Beautiful. So let me go ahead and clean the edges up and we'll take a final look at it here in a second. So we finally got this thing built and it came out perfect. It's beautiful. It's gonna be a shelf queen forever. We do have a chassis that we just haven't built yet. Just got it propped up. The other side came out looking just as good. So those taillight stickers are difficult. They're gonna start peeling off a little bit, so you have to go back, flatten them down. Still looks real good. So I got this whole kit for $111 in April of 2022 on eBay. As far as the body paint job, it's not that difficult. You just have to mask that front spoiler off. Very easy. The orange lays down beautiful. So the tail light stickers are annoying to do. The headlights are a little frustrating. The rest of the stickers were fairly easy. All right, well, if you have your eyes on this one, I would highly recommend that you get it. It's a beautiful car. One of my favorites so far. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.